In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Mailchimp template. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you create professional and effective templates for your email campaigns. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to Mailchimp's website. Open your web browser and head over to Mailchimp's homepage. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp dashboard. This is your command center for creating and managing all your email campaigns. Next, from the dashboard, look for the Templates option on the navigation menu. Clicking on Templates will take you to a new page where you'll be able to view, edit, or create email templates. This section is specifically designed to help you manage the aesthetics and layout of your emails, which is crucial for creating a branded and consistent look across your campaigns. Now, it's time to select the type of template you want to create. Mailchimp offers a variety of options, including pre-designed templates and the option to create your own from scratch. If you're new to designing templates, starting with a pre-designed template can be a great choice. These templates are not only visually appealing, but also optimized for different types of content and campaign goals. However, if you have a specific design in mind or need to adhere to your brand guidelines, creating a custom template is the way to go. Once you've made your selection, you'll be taken to the template editor. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can customize various elements such as the layout, colors, fonts, and images to suit your brand. Don't hesitate to experiment with different elements until you achieve the desired look. Remember, the goal is to create an engaging and visually coherent template that resonates with your audience. As you're designing, keep in mind the importance of mobile responsiveness. Many people check their emails on mobile devices, so ensuring your template looks great on smaller screens is crucial. Mailchimp's editor provides a preview option, allowing you to see how your template will appear on both desktop and mobile devices. After you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save your template. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the editor. Give your template a memorable name so you can easily find it later. Once saved, your template will be available in the Templates section of your Mailchimp account, ready for you to use in your upcoming email campaigns. And that's it! You've successfully created a Mailchimp template. With this foundation, you can now build beautiful and engaging email campaigns that capture your audience's attention.